Low-key Forsaken. God, it's so loud. This thing. Okay, I am Nora, and I am the hunter. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, are you the... Oh my god, Frame just scared me. I almost lit one out. Wait, who are you? Okay, I'm Nora. Frick, these people are everywhere. They're scaring me. Especially Nigel. Nigel's scaring me. Oh my god, where is he? Guys, where is he? Where is he? I'm with Richard and Nigel. Guys, I'm scared. Oh god. I don't know where he is. I don't know if he's upstairs or downstairs. I don't know. Where is he? Hello, Ibis. Are you innocent, Ibis? AC31. What is Ice? What? Marita? Okay. Did you die? No, frick! Where is he? He's right in front of me. No. I'm gonna die. Where? I don't know, but he can come down here. He can try and come down here. He just comes down and he kills me. Okay, where is he? I don't know. Where? You're scaring me. Oh my god, that's Nigel. You're scaring me, Momo, man. I'm scared. This is the only. Oh my god, what the hell just. Okay, well, I don't think you can come in from any other way besides there. So I think we're kind of safe. Okay, what if I just. Bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't even type this. I don't even know that's how you say it. Whoops, what a jump. What is going on? That's my mom's one. Okay, Okay, I'm Benedict and I'm innocent as well. Oh my god. Wait. Freak! I literally just died. Are you kidding me? Get out of there, get out! Bro, are you kidding me? Oh my god. It was a little person too, bruh. Oh my god. It literally did. Yeah. I'm Oliver and I am innocent. What are you? Okay. AC. Just die. Oh, I found the money bag. Are you Prim? Oh, is it Primrose? Oh Oh no, no, he's gonna get me. He's gonna get me. Literally. Yes. It's not Leonardo. I think it was Primrose. No, it's not Primrose, actually. Yeah, no. Dude, I haven't seen York in so long. Oh, my dead body. Alright. Oh, you're Wayne? Okay, wait. Oh, who is it? Guys! Oh no. Oh no. Run! Run! Are you kidding me? Oh, it's Valerie. I think it's Valerie or whatever. Yeah. Oh, Alice. Alice. Oh wait, no, it's never mind. It's not Valerie. Sorry. Oh my god, why are they like? They were like in a formation. You saw them? My neck, brother. Oh my god! Shoot! The wolf is down there. Hey, I don't know. Oh, I think they left though. Yeah, they left. Who was it? It was Rigby. All right. I'm Oakley, and I am the. Oh my god, I was so close to being the hunter. Oh wow, you stole my thing. Okay. I'm Oakley. Where you at? Where you at? Oakley, I just saw Rigby die. I saw Rigby die. He's out there. I don't know where he is though. Let's go upstairs. How do you go upstairs? I keep pressing shift thinking it's gonna make me run, but like, you can't run in here. Where are we going? Wait. It's Primrose. Bro, ass down, face, wait. Ass up, face down. Oh my god. Did you see the way I died? Golly. Bro, this game is too funny. Where? Oh, I see him. Oh, I wish I got York. What is AC3? What does that even mean? No! What is it? Oh, wait, why is my body like over there? Crook. Oh my god, I didn't even see York. Ooh. I got ankles. Is that how you spell ankles? I don't know. Oh! I think I know why they're saying AC3. I looked at their username and it's soy AC3. I was a little confused. I feel like I'm gonna get the wolf. Oh, never mind. I'm Nora. I'm innocent. Are you the hunter? Okay. Okay, I'm Nora. I'm all the way in, like, on the roof. I'm going inside. I'm sorry. I don't feel safe out here. Alright. Oh. Get away from me. It's Darren. Why is he trying to juke me? Bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I died. It's Darren. Oh, let me see. He is... Oh, I I think he glitched in front of the inside the stairs. Oh, bro, he's doing cheats. Not cheats, but he's just like he's dancing and it's like making him like go inside the walls. Yeah. Yeah, let's just leave. Let's leave because I think they're teaming. Let's shoot him. Great job, our almighty protector. Bro, he's literally. What is she doing? Whose ankles is he trying to? Oh my god. Hey. What the? Where is she floating? Okay, low key. Okay, well, I have no chance. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I remember. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm Ibis and I'm innocent. Oakley, I see you. Come up here. Be careful of Elton. No. Oh, Ibis. Right here. Okay, wait. Redella. I feel like it's Redella. I swear Redella. Wait, I'm gonna check. Holly. I know you're Holly. Holly, get back. Yeah, Holly. Oh, never mind. Oh, who is it? I saw Benedict. Okay, you can come out. It's safe out here. What? No! What? I heard people scream and he was like he wasn't in wolf form. Are you kidding me? He is downstairs. It's alright. Where are you? Oh. Okay, then you should probably run. Okay, no, he's. Okay, where are you? Okay, no, it's okay. You're good. Bro, I thought it was Holly. She has a gun. Okay. Okay, I don't know if they were teaming because Ruff is like I don't know what's going on. Never mind. Oh. No. Okay. Well, he's upstairs right now, so you're good. Brooke, run! Oh, Brooke just died. Okay, now he's outside. Oh, he's going down. He's downstairs. Run! Oh my god, it's so freaking funny. No, I only saw you. How did she fall? Oh wait, you don't have to do this. We can still be together. You must die. Oh. I know. That was like probably like 2 seasons worth right there. Oh, Nora has a gun. Nora! Oh my god. Okay, I am Marita and I am. Oh my god. I'm Marita and I'm the hunter. I'm so scared because Lee Renard's world. Wait, who are you? Okay, I'm Marita. Who is it? Okay, where is he? Like downstairs? Like in the basement? I see him. No, it's not him. It's not him. Who is it? I almost shot him. Oh, I'm looking at freaking Leonardo. I don't know. Wait. Move, Alice. Yes! Bro, look at me and Alice. I'm sorry. Alright, let's hope I get something here. Yes, I'm York! I'm York! Are you the wolf? Okay, well, don't get me. I'm York. You Where even are you? I'm scared. You're scary. Oh, I saw you. Oh god. Okay, Elton is up here. I mean, yeah, like he's in the same floor. Oh my god, I hear you killing. I hear you going crazy. Are you locked in? Wait, let me figure out who has to go. Okay. Okay, come up here. I'm gonna go like in front of Ibis, so like if she shoots, she just shoots me. Alright? It's okay. Ibis has a gun, but she's like... It's okay. Wait. Okay, you can come out. They shot me. Get out. Right, are you serious? Oh. Are you serious, bro? It's okay, I'll play one more game. To avenge you. Okay, I'm Nigel and I'm innocent. Who are you? Fern? Okay, because Ibis... Oh, okay, Ibis, I know Ibis is innocent. You're gonna get me! Wait, they're trying to kill me, bro. It's literally not me. I'm not doing anything. Come over here, Ibis. I need to talk to you real quick. Are you serious? Who is it? Move! Oh my god, these biggies. Okay, where is he? Okay. The roof. Oh my god, Ibis. Move, girl. I'm literally gonna shoot Ibis. Should I shoot her because she shot you? Or no? I mean, if I shoot her, I don't get the gun. She just dies. Should I shoot her? Like, I won't die. Like, it's alright. Okay. Okay, I had to. Okay. Wait, I killed Ibis. Why did I say it's Ibis? Wait, where is he? He's oh, the game's over. Wait, should we play one more? Like, just one more. It's because you died. Like, they killed you. Like, I need you to survive. Palace. Oh, okay. Oh, never mind, I guess. Never mind. I'm not gonna waste my money. Okay, please don't give me the. Okay, bro, are you serious? I'm Nigel again, and I'm innocent. Like the most innocent you can ever be. Are you York? Okay, I'm with. Okay, okay. No, survive, survive. Don't worry, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. I'm running. Oh, shotgun up here. He's on. You died? I think I heard you. I just heard you die. Who has a gun? Okay, where is he? Oh, Elton. I'm not it. I'm not it, Elton. I'm not it. I'm not it. It's okay. I'm trying jumping over it. Well, I just want to see. I want to see how Ibis dies. Oh. That is it for today's video. It's just a short clip. It's honest. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this. Oh, my mom was not mentioning me to their story. What's that mean? Okay, I'm not doing it. So.